took the flutes that I'd been gifted over the years by many flute makers, and normally a Native American flute is just made to be its own self. It might not even play in tune with other instruments. That's okay because it has its own voice. It has its own song. And so that's the way these flutes were. And I took those flutes and I played them. I spent time with them. And if they gave me a song, then I recorded the song. And then if I would listen back and I would give it a name. This song was one of the first songs I was given by the flute. And I gave it the name Warrior's Lament because there's a change-up in the middle of the song. I envision an aging warrior, a person that has faced adversity and danger in their life, but gone ahead in spite of that without regard to his or her own personal safety for the health, well-being, and protection of other people. And he had served the people his whole life, but now he was old. He was in a wheelchair, and he lamented the fact that he was no longer able to be what he once was. But then as he rocked back and forth, he remembered back when he was young and strong and able to count coup among his enemies.